how to change your Google password. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any Google services that you have on your device. I'm going to go for Google Play Store and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and simply select on Manage your Google account. As you do that, what you can simply do is select on the option of Personal Info. As you tap on Personal Info, simply scroll down to the very end where you can simply see the option of Password over here. So tap on Password and here it will simply ask you to verify yourself. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device and then you can just verify yourself. As you do that, what it does is it will take us to a new page where you can see the option to change your password. So you can simply enter new password over here and then tap on change password and you'll be able to do it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.